Don't be amazed.
Plants are commonly thought to be solely dependent on water and nutrients in the soil. Plants that cannot absorb nutrients from the soil will quickly absorb animal bones and even human flesh that has become embedded in the soil, and garden stores sell blood and bone meal fertilizers. It takes great attention to cultivate these plants, which are not as easy to care for as you might expect because of their susceptibility to pests like green flies and spider mites when exposed to poor air circulation and low humidity. These 10 plants must eat meat to survive and will astound you with their unique, beautiful appearance as well as their predatory survival strategies. The Venus flytrap is without a doubt the most well-known carnivorous plant. It is also the simplest to obtain, as it is inexpensive and small enough to be found in your local florist's section, rather than needing to visit your local nursery. It uses the snapping trap to grab prey after luring them in with its delicious smell and brilliant blue glow, as its name suggests. While the fly is its most common prey, it also consumes ants, beetles, various insects, arachnids, and even frogs. It can take up to 10 days after snapping shut to consume the prey with crimson sap and open to reveal the exoskeleton. Pitcher plants come in numerous variations, including tropical kinds known as monkey cups, but all feature the same trapping mechanisms, a blend of lobster pot and pitfall. Their slick interiors and bristles ensure the prey's extremely uncommon escape. Furthermore, most contain sugars laced with an alkaloid to intoxicate the target. They all consume insects as well, including butterflies, grasshoppers, and crickets. Monkeys have been photographed sipping from the monkey cups, which can carry up to a liter of water. Although the cobra lily is a pitcher plant, it does not resemble a monkey cup or even an evident pitcher shape. It has a distinctive appearance. Instead, it resembles a cobra with its head curled up and poised to strike. In addition, unlike other pitcher plants, it does not collect precipitation, but instead fills its pitcher with water absorbed by its roots. It does, however, consume a wide range of insects, from little to large, and employs both lobster pot and pitfall capturing tactics. Its numerous false entrances with translucent patches capture its prey, which drowns in the liquid when it is weary. The sundew, another carnivorous plant with various geographical variants, captures and eats insects using both flypaper and snapping tentacles as trapping techniques. It appears like the ends of the hairs on its leaves have dewdrops that arise with the morning sun, as its name suggests. Because these droplets are anything but water, thirsty insects become entangled in the little but lethal scheme. The bladderwort clearly uses the bladder trap to collect and consume insects, aquatic worms, water fleas, fish fry, mosquito larvae, and immature tadpoles. But how does it work exactly? This aquatic plant creates vacuum suction by pumping water from its bladders. When prey approaches and brushes up against the bristles on the flexible apertures, the bladder opens to take in the prey as well as water. At first glance, this plant is distinguished by its bright, orchid-like blossoms. When you look closely, you'll notice small hairs that exude a mucus-like material. The bright colors of the flowers, whether white, pink, yellow, or purple, attract the prey, which is subsequently trapped by the flypaper and digested by the leaves. Crickets, flies, spiders, caterpillars, slugs, gnats, springtails, and fruit flies are among its prey. This carnivorous bromeliad, which belongs to the same family as pineapple, thick-leaved succulents, and Spanish mosses, has no common name. The pitfall is its trapping mechanism, which is facilitated by the reflection of ultraviolet light, a seductive fragrance, and a slippery, waxy surface that precludes claw attachment. The flies and other insects then fall to their deaths, where enzymes disintegrate them. The flypaper mechanism is the plant's trap for wasps, bees, and other insects. The bright resin on the tentacles attracts victims only to trap them. The flower spikes with white or pinkish purple petals distinguish this plant. The insects are not digested by the plant on its own. Rather, it relies on another bug, Pameridaea rorigile, to feed on the trapped prey so the plant can absorb nutrients from Pameridaea rorigile's droppings. This carnivorous plant is unique among predatory photosynthetic living forms in that it does not hunt insects. Instead, it feeds on minute organisms such as protozoans. Instead of luring its prey above ground, it has specialized leaves that grow beneath the soil. It is also categorized as a herb and has above-ground leaves that photosynthesize light. The dewy pine, unlike most other carnivorous plants, flourishes in arid regions. To lure prey, the dewy-looking secretions simulate honey, but the sticky leaves snare it, and an enzyme digests the insect's insides to leave behind a dry shell. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating animal facts. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating creature from the animal kingdom.